Curiosity about who's checking out your Instagram content is natural, especially when it comes to Instagram highlights. These curated stories, pinned to your profile, allow you to showcase your best moments for as long as you like. But can you actually see who's viewing your Instagram highlights? The answer is both straightforward and a little more nuanced. When you post a story on Instagram, you can easily see who has viewed it. Simply swipe up on your story during its 24-hour lifespan to find a list of viewers. Highlights, however, work a little differently. While you can add stories to highlights, once a story moves into a highlight and the original 24-hour window passes, your visibility into who has viewed it changes. You can only see the viewer list for as long as the story is still live. After that, Instagram removes access to detailed viewer information. This means that once a story inside a highlight is older than 24 hours, you can no longer see exactly who has watched it. You'll still have access to overall view counts, giving you a sense of how many people have seen your highlight, but not their individual identities. It's important to note that privacy is a key part of Instagram's design. While you might be interested in knowing who's checking your highlights, viewers' identities remain protected after that initial 24-hour story period. If you're hoping to track engagement, focus on the analytics Instagram provides, such as view counts and profile insights, rather than expecting a list of names. In summary, while you can see who views your stories in real time, Instagram does not allow you to see who's viewed your highlights after the stories expire. This helps maintain user privacy and encourages more open sharing across the platform.